How to invert a photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the negative photo application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the Add Photo icon as shown. You can now view and add photos from your photo library over here. Scroll down and select the photo you want. From the options below, you can try out the different effects available. Tap on the negative photo effect at the bottom left corner. After that, tap on the Save icon at the top right corner. Then, tap on Save to Photo Library. Tap on OK. You have now successfully saved this photo to your device. This way, you can use the same process for any photo that you want. Following these steps, you can easily invert a photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.